In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Microsoft Teams camera. We'll walk through this in the Microsoft Teams web experience, and the process is nearly identical if you're using the desktop app. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Teams Meetup page at teams.live.com. Give the page a moment to load. When you're on the main screen, look at the upper right corner. You'll see a three-dot icon, often labeled More. That menu is where you'll find quick access to key preferences for your calls. Click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This opens a panel where you can adjust your audio and video devices without leaving the page or starting a meeting. Inside the Settings panel, click Devices on the left side. Devices is the section that controls which microphone, speakers, and most importantly for this video, which camera Teams will use. If you've just plugged in a webcam, pause for a second so Teams can detect it. Next, find the camera area. You'll see a drop-down or selection box listing the cameras available on your computer. This is where you tell Teams which camera to turn on. Open that list and select the camera you want to use. If your webcam appears as USB 2.0 HD UVC webcam, click that option. Device names can vary by brand and model, so choose the entry that clearly matches your webcam. As soon as you select it, Teams will initialize the camera and usually show a live preview, letting you check your framing, focus, white bias, and lighting. At this point, your camera is ready in Teams, and this choice will be saved for future meetings until you change it. A few helpful tips if something doesn't look right. In a browser, make sure the site has permission to use your camera. You can allow this from the address bar if prompted. If the camera doesn't appear, close any other app that might be using it, unplug and reconnect a USB webcam, and wait a moment for it to re-register. On some devices, system privacy settings can block camera access, so ensure camera access is allowed for your browser or the Teams app. If the image is dark or soft, clean the lens and adjust your lighting. And if you switch between multiple cameras, return to this devices page anytime to pick a different one. That's all you need. With your camera selected in settings, Teams will use it automatically in your next call or meeting.